Amateur hour? No more. We've all been there. You snap a photo, excited to share it with the world, but when you see it later, something's off. The colors are dull, the composition is awkward, and it just doesn't pop. With a few simple editing tricks, you can transform your snapshots into frame-worthy masterpieces. So, if you're ready to take your photography to the next level, let's dive into some essential editing tips. And color correction, your photo's best friend. One of the easiest ways to enhance your photos is by adjusting the colors. Our eyes are naturally drawn to vibrant, well-balanced colors. Most software will have simple sliders to adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Start by adjusting the brightness and contrast. Brightness controls the overall lightness or darkness of the image. Increase brightness to brighten a dull photo or decrease it to create a moodier feel. Contrast adjusts the difference between the light and dark areas of your photo. Increasing contrast can make your photo appear sharper and more dramatic. Experiment and find what looks best for each individual photo. With a little practice, you'll be able to adjust colors like a pro and make your photos truly stand out. Crop it, like it's hot framing your masterpiece. Cropping is a fundamental editing technique that can drastically improve the composition and impact of your photos. Think of it like framing a painting. The right crop can draw attention to the subject and eliminate distractions. When cropping, consider the rule of thirds. Imagine your photo divided into 9 equal parts by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Place your subject at one of the intersections of these lines to create a more balanced and visually appealing composition. Cropping can also help you fix common composition issues, such as distracting elements or too much empty space. Mastering the art of cropping will elevate your photos from average to extraordinary. So, embrace the power of the crop and unleash your inner photography artist. Filters. Use sparingly but effectively. Filters are a fun and easy way to add a touch of personality and style to your photos. They can instantly transform the mood and feel of an image, from vintage and nostalgic to bright and modern. However, it's important to use filters sparingly and thoughtfully. The key to using filters effectively is to choose ones that complement your photo, not overpower it. Avoid using filters that are overly harsh or unrealistic. Many editing apps allow you to adjust the intensity of filters, giving you greater control over the final look. Experiment with different filters to find ones that suit your personal style and the subject matter of your photos. While filters can be tempting to overuse, remember that the best edits are often the most subtle. Use filters as a finishing touch to enhance your photos, not to mask imperfections. Editing software, your gateway to stunning photos. With countless photo editing apps available, finding the right one for you can be overwhelming. Luckily, there are options for every skill level and budget, from free mobile apps to professional-grade software. For beginners, mobile apps like Snapseed, VSCO, and Adobe Lightroom Mobile offer a user-friendly interface and a wide range of editing options. These apps are packed with features like color correction, cropping, filters, and even more advanced tools like selective editing. Best of all, they're free or available for a small subscription fee. If you're looking for more advanced editing capabilities, consider professional software like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. These programs offer unparalleled control over your images, allowing you to manipulate every pixel with precision. No matter which software you choose, familiarize yourself with its features and experiment with different tools. The more you edit, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. The transformative power of editing. Unleash your inner artist. Photo editing is more than just fixing flaws. It's an art form in itself. It allows you to express your creativity, enhance your storytelling abilities, and present your unique perspective to the world. By mastering a few basic editing techniques, you can transform ordinary snapshots into extraordinary works of art. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you, and with the power of editing, even smartphone photos can rival those taken with professional cameras. So, don't be afraid to experiment, explore different editing styles, and develop your own signature look. The world is your canvas, and your creativity knows no bounds.